Papa. I'm from Taiwan, and it's my first time to pick up the cherry. And this farm is really good. It has so many people from here, and I have everyone from different country, so it's really good from live here.
Hello, my name is Seung-hyun Chan. English name is Andrew, and I've been here for 2 months. And then I was picker, and then actually the KOI, my contractor, offered me a supervisor. So I'm working supervising now, and but sometimes it's not too easy because so many people. I have to control them, and but it's good. I think. We are going to move another farm, and then I think I'm totally enjoying here. So yeah, I'm looking forward to another farm as well.
Hello, my name is Sam. I'm French traveler, and I'm in Australia since maybe 2 months now. And I work in Cherryhill since 1 month now, in the cherry picking. Very good job. And I'm here for travel around Australia.
My name is David from Hong Kong, and then I'm a backpacker, but now I'm supervisor. I'm a supervisor now, and then supervise around 50 to 60 workers. Yeah, and then Cherryhill is very good. A very good farm. Okay, I'm really enjoy, and then I can get different experience here. Meet some new friends. Do some farm job. Yeah, very good. Actually, quality check the pool, and then collect the cars, the number replace, means each one's number. They got their own number. Means this is their basket.
And is the quality good today?
Yeah, very good today.
I'm Max from Cobram, and I'm part of the pickup crew here at Cherryhill. Pretty much we usually start at 5 in the morning. We get up, we go set up, spread the logs out and the ladders, and then once that's done, pretty much around 7 o'clock we start picking up once the pickers have got ahead of us. And we just go along all day, pick up the cherries, pour them, and then stack them, and take 6 bins back to the shed. That's our day. As well. So now I'm back in the shed. We write up a quick tag for what we've just picked up. So 6 bins from block 72, and the type of cherries, and then we staple it onto the back of the bin.
the cherries here that are ready to go through this shower. What it does is it, you've got the first section of it here behind me that's pre-wash, and that just washes all the dust and things like that, gives them a bit of a clean. And then the second section of the shower is hydro-cooled water, so it's chilled water that freshens the cherry dry, takes the peeled temperature out of the cherries and keeps them super fresh. So yeah, that's what this process is. In here, this is where we store all the cherries from out of the paddy. Yeah, so we just got a couple of different varieties in here that we've been picking, and yeah, looking quite good. Yeah, we've got some Regina and stuff over here. Very nice. Yeah, very happy with the way they look. Nice and firm, nice colour, nice size, nice and sweet. Yeah, it's looking really good.
And what kind of defects are you looking for there?
I'm seeing if there's no bruising. Okay, it's soft, so I'm putting it in the defects, and after that I'm going to check what defects there are.
What are you doing here, Dev? Just making some room in the pool room, because we're really running out of room here. We're still waiting on this truck. Truck had a breakdown this morning, so it's a couple of hours behind, and yeah, sort of just trying to squeeze all the room that we got, try and make it all useful to make some more room for more fruit. And hopefully the truck will be here very soon. Yeah, got a lot of fruit in the room here at the moment, waiting for the truck to come and pick them up and take them to Coldstream. So hopefully that will happen very soon, because we are running out of room in here. So yeah, so no, it's all looking good, all going very well. Yeah, so yeah, pretty happy about how it all going. Very busy times. It's all good stuff.